Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Pay on Samsung Galaxy A56. Let's begin. First of all, you want to go into Wallet, Google Wallet application. If you don't have one, all you have to do is go to the Play Store, go to Search, and here you want to input Wallet. And you should see a Google Wallet right here. Obviously, there are many other wallets that you can do, for example, the Revolut. But obviously, this is a tutorial on Google Play, so we are going to be using Google Wallet. Now we want to press Open, and now we can just press View Wallet as if this is your first time using the application. We can allow the notifications. I'm not going to do that since notifications are pretty annoying, and we can also add a shortcut to have easier access to the application itself, which is also pretty handy, and I advise you to do it, but I'm going to just hit got it. And now if we have no payment card at all, we want to press this big button, Add Payment Card. We click it, and after a while the application should load in, and now we should take our card and just do a photo of it. Obviously, I'm not going to take out my card as there are pretty sensitive info right here, but let's say this is my card, so let's say I'm going to try to frame it. Normal payment card should be like the exact size of the screen, and whenever it detects that, hey, this is the card indeed, you will be able to actually scan it. Then it will ask you to flip over it to scan it again, or if you for some reason can't do that, you can always press Enter Details manually, and here you can enter all the details by hand. But obviously the way with taking a photo is much faster. And after you've done it, so let's go back into the menu right here, enter the details manually, you will be able to click button called Save and Continue, and then you should have your Google Pay application all set up, and using the NFC option you'll be able to buy things with your phone, and you won't have to carry your payment card all the time, because you are always carrying your phone, and if your phone can work as your card, why carry a card? And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.